Hello foodies, welcome to Savveggie. Today we are going to learn Jeera rice recipe. Jeera rice, one of the most commonly made flavor rice from the North Indian cuisine, and to make this simple and easy rice, long grain rice is cooked with the jeera and other mild spices, and it is served with the veg and gravy side dishes like veg korma curry, navratan korma, butter masala, palak paneer, tikka masala, gravy, or even with the simple dal tadka or dal fry. Using shajira in this recipe adds a lovely flavor and a fragrance to the rice, and the coriander imparts a taste and a delightful green color, turning plain simple rice into a preparation to be relished. So now we'll see how to prepare this. Ingredients required: we need 2 cups basmati rice and 2.5 to 3 tablespoon jeera, that is the cumin, and 1 bay leaf, 1 strand mace, and 2 to 4 green cardamoms, and 2-inch cinnamon stick, 4 to 6 cloves, and salt is needed. And we also need 2 tablespoon ghee or oil, 1 large onion thinly sliced, 2 to 3 green chili slit and de-seeded, and 3.5 cups water. Adjust if needed. Now we'll see directions to prepare. First, take your rice and wash and soak rice for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and drain it completely in a colander, and keep aside. Now heat ghee or oil in a pressure cooker or a pot, and start spices until they begin to sizzle, and roast cumin on a low flame until they get roasted well. Now add sliced onions and green chili. Fry until they turn golden in color. Takes around 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add drained rice and roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Salt and roast for 2 minutes. Then pour 3.5 cups of water and add salt. Salt as needed. Now bring it to boil and cook. Cover the pressure cooker with a lid. Cook on a high heat for 1 whistle. For cooking in pot, cook on a medium heat until the water is absorbed. When the rice is still soggy, then cover and cook until done. When the pressure goes off, open the lid and fluff up with a fork. You can also add a bit of more of ghee if desired. Now jeera rice is very much ready. So decorate with the kaju that is fried in ghee, and enjoy with your favorite curry and raita. So wonderful and easy recipe. You can prepare in weekends, and the kids just love to have it. Really fantastic one. And the jeera is very much useful for digestion, and this jeera rice goes well with any accompaniment with almost any dals and curries or sabjis, curries, and jeera rice with plain curds and pickles, achar, are just topped with some ghees. Favorite to kids. so do it, and you can keep it as a lunch box for kids so that they enjoy their lunch in school. So this is for today, jeera rice. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.